If you're always the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. The truth? Most people avoid rooms where they might feel outclassed, because being around smarter people reveals what we don't know, and that's scary. But you didn't click this video to stay comfortable. You clicked because something inside you wants more. More growth, more knowledge, more depth. So what's the secret to unlocking it? Simple, make friends who are smarter than you, and not just slightly smarter. I'm talking about the kind of people who make you rethink your entire mindset after a 5-minute conversation. Stick around, because this isn't just about making friends. It's about redefining your future by changing your environment. Let's be real. Most friendships are built on familiarity. Same neighborhood, same job, same struggles. But growth comes when you break that pattern. Smart people elevate your thinking without even trying. They don't complain, they solve. They don't dwell, they analyze. They make you feel like every moment is a masterclass. And that's the power of having smarter friends. They're not better than you, they're just further along. And by walking beside them, you accelerate your own journey. Want to rise faster? Then walk with people who've already climbed. Here's the harsh truth. You can't connect with people who are ahead of you if your pride keeps pulling you back. Ego says, pretend you know. Wisdom says, be okay not knowing. Most people kill relationships with smart friends by faking intelligence, trying to flex, trying to one-up. It's obvious, and honestly, it's exhausting. You don't need to match their IQ. You need to match their hunger for insight. Ask thoughtful questions, admit when you're confused, and celebrate what they know without feeling insecure about what you don't. Humility opens doors that pride keeps locked. And the best part, smart people see through pretense, but they respect honesty every time. Like, you can't upgrade your circle if you never leave your current orbit. So, where do the thinkers hang out? Online communities built around skills and topics, not gossip. Events like TEDx, coding boot camps, writing seminars, and startup expos. Discord groups for AI, science, storytelling, finance, or health. Niche forums where people share problems and build real solutions. Smarter people gravitate toward environments that push them. They're always learning, always testing, always building. So show up in places that make you feel slightly uncomfortable, because that's where transformation begins. And don't lurk. Engage, introduce yourself, share your process, even if it's messy. You'll be surprised how many geniuses appreciate people who are genuinely trying. Here's a common myth. Smarter people don't want to talk to you unless you're on their level. False. What they don't want is fake energy, shallow talk, or forced competition. So how do you approach? Lead with value, recommend a resource, reference a past thing they said, or express sincere appreciation. Lead with curiosity. I would say, I'd love to understand how you see this problem. Lead with effort, mention what you're working on or learning, and ask for their take. Most smart people want others who challenge them differently. Not clones, not worshipers, just truth seekers like them. They crave depth. And if you bring thoughtful energy, you'll be welcomed, even if you're still learning the ropes. Now let's talk about sustainability. Getting in the room is good. Staying there without shrinking or faking, that's next level. Here's what to remember. 1, consistency greater than intensity. Show up often, even if you don't have a breakthrough to share. 2, contribution greater than competition. Bring insight, offer help, and ask good questions. 3, evolution greater than validation. You're not here to prove your worth, you're here to grow. The more you grow, the more natural the friendship becomes. Soon, they won't see you as the beginner anymore. They'll see you as someone rising with them. Friendship with smarter people isn't charity, it's synergy, it's mutual fuel for a bigger future. Before we close, ask yourself this: what makes someone want to befriend you? It's not how much you know, it's how you think. It's how you carry your hunger. Be someone who brings fresh perspectives, even if they're raw, admits mistakes and learns out loud, encourages others' growth while pursuing your own, adds energy, not ego, to the conversation. You don't have to be a genius, but if you're generous with your curiosity, bold in your growth, and real about your journey, you become the kind of person smart friends fight to keep around. You don't need to dim your light to be around brilliance. You just need to make sure your flame is real. So find those friends who make you feel slow, but smarter every time you talk. Find the ones who challenge how you think, not who you are. And when you do, don't fake it, don't compete, just grow. Because the most powerful friendship is the one that makes you outgrow the old version of yourself. And that journey starts today.